So we're heading to the mountains for a little anniversary weekend, midweek, and this is the old Speedway, Wilkesboro Motor Speedway.
Be strong.
And look, they still got the Winston Cup Series sign there. There's the South Grandstand. No, you can't go in there, but you could fly a drone, and I brought my drone. So I'm thinking about taking the drone up. Now I heard that Dale Earnhardt Jr. had cleaned up the inside here so they could film it for a video game. I guess it's some sort of racing, iRacing or iNASCAR or something. But anyway, so I don't know. Should I take the drone up? Let me see if it's okay to fly. I'll bring up the software. So I took the drone up. I don't know if I'm supposed to or not. It said it was okay to fly when I checked it. I'm kind of sort of on their property here. Yeah, and I didn't, you know, fly down in there. I just 350 feet. I just kind of showed. It's not that big of a track, but it looks like a nice track. If NASCAR's not going to do something with it, hopefully they'll come up with something else, ARCA, whatever. It'd be fun to come here. All right, so that's it. Moving on.